Hey, what's up? It's a 14 GT500 5.8, awesome setup with some mods, including our Detroit rocker camshafts. I watched a dyno pull earlier. I'm going to show you that, so stick around. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify. Let's get to it. Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. So here's what we have going today. You know I love GT350s, but I also like 500s. This 14 came out awesome. Hey, it's a stock boost car. 93 octane, 11 to 13 PSI is why I was logging at this. I have Doug with me. Let's take a look. We have the factory supercharger, factory pulley, 4-performance throttle body. Of course, the JLT cold air intake, my favorite. American Racing long tube headers, free-flowing exhaust, and Borla Attack mufflers. This thing is loud, let me tell you. Some other upgrades, like some appearance upgrades right here. We have the JLT oil separator, but I think the car came out really, really good. It drives awesome. It's got the lopey muscle car sound. Check this dyno pull out. Have it 748 real horsepower at 6,400 RPM. That's on our DynoJet rated SAE. Torque came in at 710 at 4,200. I love it because right now you go wide open throttle, ton of torque. And don't forget, I said stock boost. So when we do builds like this and run like maybe an overdrive crank, you know, we can get that closer to the 800 mark, but this came out really, really good. So don't forget, in the description, put links about all this. But let's take one more look at this car right here. Hey, this is RTR wheels. I think they look great. So, you know, I like black cars, I like gray cars. These aren't just black wheels, these are a gray color. I think they look really, really good. And we're gonna take one more look at the engine compartment, but don't forget, you can email quote@brenspeed.com. Hey, what's this cost to get installed? We can let you know. And then of course, shop our website. But here it is, the old 5.8 factory supercharger, factory pulley, factory boost. Like the induction, because you know I love JLT. I love the 4-performance throttle body. And of course, Giga oil separators and free-flowing exhaust, as well as cooling mods. I love those. So don't forget, subscribe and notify us if to date. Thanks for watching.